What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Tuesday, March 4th, and here we are back at Costco. Once again, they did release a new savings event called Save on Organic at Costco. It is valid till March 9th. We have 25 organic deals that you need to see. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. I am going to leave a link to this flyer in the comment section. And starting the video off in the number one spot from Molineros, we have the Organic Pizza Starter Kit. Now this starter kit is perfect for those Friday nights with your loved one, with your kids. These are great. Now what do we get in this kit? We get 4 pizzas in totals. These are stone-baked pizza crusts. They even give you a premium organic pizza sauce, which is included. Now these do bake ready in just 8 minutes, 200 calories per quarter slice, 38 carbs, and 6 grams of protein. They also give you a nice storage bag, which is included in this little kit. I do like it. $2 off the price. Not bad for only $6.99. All you gotta do is just buy the cheese, maybe add some toppings of your own, and there you go, you're ready. In the number 2 spot, we have the organic cilantro lime rice. Now this does look pretty amazing. If you tried it before, leave a comment below. Cooks ready in just 90 seconds. Looks pretty amazing to me. Now this is made fresh with fresh cilantro and lime, USDA organic. Let's check out those macros. 230 calories per cup, 46 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. Now we do get 6 pouches per box. Each pouch is 8.8 ounces. And also, they're giving us $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.89. Once again, friends, these deals do expire March 9th. And now in the number 3 spot, we have the Kinder's, their Cowboy Butter. Now I've shown this spice once or twice on my channel. Has Dijon, has butter, has chili. What it also has, 0 calories, which everyone loves. Now a couple of ingredients that a lot of people won't like is the natural butter flavor and the sunflower oil. So those two are highly inflammatory, especially the sunflower oil. It's highly inflammatory, highly processed, and the natural butter flavor has diacetyl in it, which is an organic compound that does give you that buttery, creamy flavor that a lot of people love. $2 off the price, bringing it down to $5.99. And to my left, once again from Kinder's, this time we have their garlic parmesan seasoning in the number 4 spot. Now this also has 0 calories per serving. Now for ingredients, it has natural flavors and it also has the sunflower oil. Now on my channel, I don't try to tell anybody what to buy. We don't judge people what they buy, what they consume, because me personally, I am very far from perfect. $150 off the price, bringing it down to $5.49. But if you do enjoy this type of knowledge, leave a comment below and I'll try to add it in some more future videos. In the number 5 spot, we have the Mayorga Cafe Cubano Roast Organic Whole Bean Dark Roast Coffee. Pretty nice coffee, but if you want to search for the cleanest, it has to be organic, it has to be whole bean, and it definitely has to be single origin. Now this coffee in front of us comes from 3 different origins. Now also, if you want to take it up a notch from there, you want to try to find coffee that has been tested for mycotoxin, which is basically mold-free coffee. $3.50 off the price, bringing it down to $12.49. If you have any allergies or allergic to mold, you definitely want to try to find coffee that has been tested. In the number 6 spot, we have the organic edamame young soybeans in a pod. Now, some people may not like this. Why? Because they're worried about the soy disrupting their hormones. But no need to worry, friends. You'd have to consume a lot of soybeans in order for that to happen. This is completely different than those ultra-processed soy products on the market. These are actually whole soybeans, so no need to worry. Yes, they have those phytoestrogens, but you'd have to eat a lot of them in order for that to happen. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $10.99. Edamame is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Just sprinkle some salt on them and you are good to go. In the number 7 spot, this time from Reds, we have their organic grilled chicken, another cilantro and lime product. This time we're looking at a burrito. Now it does have freshly baked tortillas, 10 burritos per box, and they do claim it has 15 grams of protein per serving. But let's take a look at those macros. Just give me 1 second to fix that glare. 320 calories per burrito, 38 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar, and it does have 15 grams of protein. They're taking $3.20 off the price, bringing it down to $13.29. And next up, in the number 8 spot, this time from Nature's Garden, we have their organic trail mix. Now this mix does come in a variety pack. Each snack pack is 1.2 ounces in total. Now we do get a 24 count in total per package. Now we have 3 different flavors here. Now the macros on these are pretty much similar. They're organic, they're kosher, and they're heart healthy. Pretty much they all have 170 calories per serving, 15 carbs, and 5 grams of protein. Like I mentioned, we do get 3 different flavors here. We have the heart healthy mix, we have the omega-3 deluxe mix, and then we have my favorite, we have the cranberry health mix. Now they are giving us $3.20 off the price, bringing it down to $10.69. If you are enjoying today's video so far, friends, and you do want to support the channel, all we ask is at the end of the video, if you could hit that thumbs up button, maybe leave a comment, and if you want to support us even further, share it to a friend. In the number 9 spot, this time from Black Forest, we have the organic gummy bears. We do get a 65 count today, but these are not too bad for you. They're okay. 65 pouches per box. They're little tiny bags, less than an ounce at 0.8, 70 calories per pouch, 17 carbs, less than 1 gram of protein. What's nice about these gummy bears, the colors and flavors, they come from real sources. So we have organic turmeric extract, that's the coloring. We have real fruit juice as a coloring. $5 off the price, $11.99. Now these are not the cleanest. They do have natural flavors. They have a little bit of cane sugar, but they're decent. In the number 10 spot, this time from Mott's, we have their organic 100% apple juice, and we get 2 massive sized bottles of apple juice. Check those out. Now, what else do we have? We have 120 calories per serving. A serving is 8 ounces, which is 1 cup, 29 grams of carbs, 28 grams of sugar, no protein. Now, the ingredient list on this one is water, organic apple juice from concentrate, absorbic acid, which is vitamin C. That's pretty much it. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $9.99. You get 2 big bottles, 128 ounces each, which is 2 gallons of apple juice. If you want a cleaner apple juice, you have to look for pressed apple juice. In the number 11 spot, this time from Soli, we have the organic fruit jerky. We get a 16 count per box. Now these are pretty clean. You can't get any cleaner than this. These are great. We get 10 mango and 6 pineapple, so 16 in total. The mango has 80 calories per serving, 19 carbs. The pineapple 70 calories per serving at 17 carbs. They only have one ingredient, which is the fruit. That's it, organic. $3.40 off the price, bringing it down to $13.59. This is probably the cleanest product when it comes to a snack at Costco. In the number 12 spot from Amy Lou, we have the caramelized onion and white cheddar chicken burgers. Now these do look pretty incredible on that cover, making my mouth water. These are charbroiled, which I love. Check these out. Let's have a look at those macros. Now we know the ingredients on Amy Lou's are always very clean. 170 calories per serving, 3 carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 19 grams of protein. Not too much to complain about here. Very nice ingredients, very clean macros. Check out that price, $3 off, bringing it down to $11.99. You do get 2 pounds of burgers. Now that comes out to about $6 a pound, a little bit less. Still a great deal. These are pre-cooked. All you gotta do is heat them up and enjoy them. In the number 13 spot from Stonyfield, we have their organic probiotic smoothies. Now we do get a 12 count per package. Each bottle is 6 ounces. Now these smoothies are very clean. They have great ingredients, perfect for adults or kids. A great snack, 110 calories per serving. They have 14 essential vitamins and minerals per serving with billions of probiotics in each smoothie. Check out that price, $3.50 off the price, bringing it down to $6.99. It does have 17 grams of carbs with 8 grams of added sugar and 6 grams of protein per serving. In the number 14 spot, my favorite kombucha, we have the Health Aid. My favorite is the Pink Lady Apple. We also have berry lemonade and the passion fruit. So we get a 6-pack, a variety pack here, which is very nice. Pretty much the same macros right across the board. They all pretty much have 14 grams of added sugar. So keep that in mind. Pretty clean ingredients here, except for the sugar. That's a lot of sugar. $4 off the price, bringing it down to $9.99. In the number 15 spot, this time we have the organic acai bowls. Now these are pretty great, organic wild blueberries. Now these are pretty clean except for the toppings, the granola toppings. Those are not the cleanest. But here we have it, 150 calories per serving, 27 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein. That's without the toppings. Now the granola topping does have sunflower oil, so if you want to skip it, you can. If not, add it in. Pretty good here. Check out that price, $3.50 off, $13.49. Now we do get a 6 count. Each one is 8.5 ounces in total. In the number 16 spot, we have Costco's Organic Super Smoothie. Now, you never can go wrong with Costco's frozen fruit here. They're pretty amazing. This smoothie bag has blueberries, strawberries, raspberry, kale, spinach, and bananas. Now, a lot of you may be thinking you open it up and you just have one big bag of fruit. That's wrong. They actually come in 6 individual bags. Each bag is 8 ounces. That way you can just dump it right into the blender and you're good to go. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $9.99. In the number 17 spot from Healthy Choice, we have the organic fudge bars. Now, these fudge bars are considered pretty much an ice cream in my opinion, and I would say this is probably the healthiest ice cream you can buy here at Costco. They're organic, they're fudge bars, 100 calories per serving, 19 carbs, 14 grams of sugar, 8 grams of added sugar, and 3 grams of protein. The ingredients on these are pretty clean, as you can see, nothing crazy in them. Now, these are very good, they're delicious. You do get an 18 count here, $2.50 off the price, $9.49. Each bar is 3 ounces. In the number 18 spot, we have the organic cooked beets. Now, these are pretty great for you. They're ready to eat. They do support heart health. They boost your brain function. Great for digestion, and they're anti-inflammatory. That's why a lot of people love them. They're 45 calories for half a cup. Let me zoom in on for you. 10 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein. Now, me personally, I don't like beets. My wife loves them. I do buy these all the time. If you have a recipe, drop it below. $2.50 off the price, $7.29. Let me know if you love beets. Leave a comment below. In the number 19 spot, this time from Rana, we have their chicken Alfredo, and it does have fresh spinach in it. Now, the ingredients on this one are pretty clean. It does have natural flavors in the Alfredo sauce with spinach, so keep that in mind. But other than that, it's pretty clean. Nice product here, ready in just 9 minutes. Pretty good discount today, $4 off the price. Let's have a look at those macros. Now, 310 calories per serving, 25 grams of carbs, 16 grams of protein. Not bad at all. And like I mentioned, the ingredients are pretty clean here. $4 off, bringing the price down to $11.99. Now, the Alfredo sauce, like I mentioned, does have natural flavors, so that's not too bad. In the number 20 spot from Lesser Evil, we have the organic cheddar space balls. Now, these are one of my son's favorite. They're light, they're fluffy, organic corn puffs. These are also made with organic avocado oil with very simple ingredients, very clean, not too bad at all. Now, my son does love these. These are a great snack along with those fruit bars if you do pick them up. Now, these do have 130 calories per serving. That's about 26 balls in total, 18 grams of carb with 2 grams of protein. Check out the size of that bag. We do get roughly about 1 pound of space balls, a little bit over at 17 ounces, $1.80 off the price, bringing it down to $4.99. And next up in the 21st spot, once again from Mott's, we have their organic applesauce. Now, we do get a 36 count per box. Each container is 3.9 ounces. And I do want to have a look at the back at the ingredients and at the macros. But just give me 1 second. I do have to turn the box around. Sorry about the shaky camera there. I will fix that in just a second. So it does have 50 calories per serving. Let me zoom in. 50 calories per serving, 13 carbs, no added sugar, and no protein. Now, the ingredients are pretty similar to the apple juice. $4 off the price, bringing it down to $12.59. And next up in the number 22nd spot, we have the organic Friendly Grains brown rice crunchy rollers. Now, these are delicious, super crunchy, so if you love that crunch, you're definitely going to love these. Very, very simple ingredients. These are great. They're organic puffed brown rice, very simple. Now, these, we get a 32 count. I believe the older style, they used to come in a 2-pack. I like how these come individually. 50 calories per serving, 9 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein. Let's check out that price. $2.70 off, bringing it down to $7.29. Now, I can't remember. These used to come in a 2-pack. Now they come in single rolls, which I love. Leave a comment below if you can remember. In the number 23rd spot from Tropical Fields, another great product here at Costco, very clean. We have their organic coconut rolls. Now, these are pretty delicious. We do get an 11-ounce bag here. They have real coconut milk in them, black sesame seeds. They're organic, dairy-free. Check out those macros. 140 calories for how many? Let's see, 9 pieces, 23 carbs, and no protein. It does have 4 grams of added sugar, but that's not too bad for a tasty snack. $2.70 off, $5.29. Another great product here at Costco. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget, friends, at the end of the video, if you can hit that thumbs up button, I would appreciate it. In the number 24 spot, this time from Nature's Bakery, we have their organic oatmeal crumble. Now, we have strawberry and apple bars here. We do get a 24 count, dairy free, kosher, organic, non GMO, and vegan. Pretty nice, 140 calories per serving, 29 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein. Pretty nice macros here, $3.70 off the price, $9.99. We do get a 24 count, each bar is 1.4 ounces. And our final product for today's video, we have the Cliff Bars here. These are organic Z bars, the variety pack. So we do get a 36 count. Each bar is 1.27 ounces. Now they do have 140 calories per serving. We have 3 different flavors. We have the chocolate brownie, the oatmeal cookie, and the chocolate chip. They're giving us $5 off the price today, bringing it down to $16.99. Alright friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification, and don't forget friends to follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. If you want to support the channel, all we ask is for you to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget about our next giveaway. It's going to be on my Amazon video, so make sure you watch that friends. And tomorrow I'll see you with Costco's new coupon book that just came out, so we got some filming to do tomorrow. I'll see you then friends. Peace.